Michelle here with Straw-Bearie Designs, and today I'm going to give you a really quick craft room tour. Now, my craft room is on a budget and it's built up slowly over the years. It's not one of those fancy perfect craft rooms that you're going to see, and it's not always clean. It's never completely clean, and I'm just going to show it to you anyway like it is, because this is how I live in my craft room and how I'm able to create. When you first come into my craft room, there's a sliding glass door. It used to be a sun porch. And I've got baskets of ribbons on this white shelf, just a Walmart shelf. And these blocks are kind of fun. They were diaper wipe cases when my kids were little, and they make the best storage containers ever. I don't know why that wipe company went out of business, because I loved blocks. Then on this shelf, these baskets are actually baskets that picked up when my mom went to the hospital a couple of times. This is from Dollar Tree, and these are stamps that I don't use quite as often. These are adhesives. These are spray inks. As we go down the shelf, you can see I've got more of the diaper wipe boxes. These are my wood-mounted stamps. And then below that, I have special papers and fabric, and down at the bottom is paint and packing supplies. All right, and so then as you come over, this whole system here I got on clearance one time from Hobby Lobby a few years ago. So this is my 12 by 12 paper, and I keep envelopes in here, and this is actually where I'm keeping items that I'm going to use on an upcoming project. These are my finished cards that I need to write to and give to somebody. And there's my desk area. It's got a little backboard, which I've put some scrapbook paper on. I took my, let me hold you still, ribbons, the small pieces, and I put them in an old peanut butter jar. All right, as we come across my work surface, my desk area, I've got more containers up here. This has different types of markers and things. This is glitter and bling. These are embossing folders. Then I have stamps and die cuts and albums and papers and things. Now, these baskets, I had blue and green. I used them in my classroom for many years. They were from Dollar Tree, and I absolutely loved them because they are the perfect size, and Dollar Tree has not sold them for years. So I did cover them all with pink scrapbook paper to help them go with my room a little bit more. On this side of my work surface, I've got another shelf, and this is kind of more the odd type of supplies that I don't use quite as often. Pom-pom balls and pipe cleaners and kids' crafts and extra adhesives, and I've got tools and things down here, some leather working and jewelry supplies down at the very bottom down there. All right, past those shelves I have a window, and if you look closely, it's been raining a lot, so the windows are kind of foggy. I have a little tiny glimpse of the lake back there, and then I have my little cart with all my supplies I use all the time from IKEA. And I have a filing cabinet, and I have a computer. That computer is really only used to help out with software for my cutting machine. So there's my new Brother Scan and Cut. Shelf above my desk, between the windows. And this shelf up here, my son's found in a grandparent's attic or garage or something, and they refinished it for me. And these are from Harbor Freight. And I have another window. So I have another shelf here that my son's refinished for me. And then down below that, I've got a really old wooden shelf that I've had forever, and it's got most of my fabric and sewing supplies in little baskets and stuff. Well, this is blocking the window to the sliding glass doors to my room, and it is also my ribbon storage and a backdrop for filming. And there's my sewing machine on a little sewing table. And show you the pretties. I've got, along the ceiling, I have pink lanterns and pom-pom balls. And I try to use every inch of space. You'll see I do have things stacked up as we go around the room.
And when you look up, my ceiling is painted blue with nice white fluffy clouds.
Down here on the floor, I have my new Alex shelves from IKEA. And right now I'm keeping a little Dollar Tree bag of the little 6x6 paper pads. And I actually really love this chair from IKEA. It's a lot more comfortable than it looks. And I have these little rolling compartments, also from IKEA. And I have file folders in there. I know you probably can't see them, but it sorts my paper into rainbow order. This is my 8.5 by 11 paper that fits really well in there. And that's my craft frame. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and have a great day crafting away. Oh, wait, I got one more thing. My Alex is new, and I haven't totally figured out what all to put in my drawers. I have a few things in there, but I have a couple open. So can you give me an idea and tell me what you would put in these drawers? Because I'm so excited to have them, and I just don't want to mess it up. Thanks. Have a great day crafting away.